Here's a new 4-bedroom ranch with no HOA. I know you love that. It's custom built really on a crawl space. Notice that extra door next to the garage doors. So you've got some extra storage in the garage. It's really built smart. Everything's on one level. It's 4 bedrooms on one level. So hey, you got a lot of flexibility there, and the lot is really good size, 0.39 acres. So let's take a look at this. I love that it's no subdivision. So plenty of light at the front, wide entry going into this ranch. And instead of the LVP that we see everywhere, this has got Mohawk Plus laminated wood flooring, which, by the way, I love laminated wood. Kitchen off to the side, real dramatic entry with that extra windows and that feeling. And by the way, speaking of flooring, in the bedrooms, the carpet has been upgraded as well. So a lot of reasons to love this house. It's up on the, I started to say northeast side of Charlotte. Really, it's pretty much due east, about halfway between Harrisburg and Mint Hill, not far from Costco and Sam's Club. And it's available for sale now. Now, as always, don't reach out to the seller or the builder, which is the same person, basically. The seller is the real estate agent that's listed the house. And I'm not sure who built it, but you always want to have a buyer agent, and they're willing to pay our fee. You just need to contact us first, and let's make it rain for you that way. Wow, guys, I love new construction. There's something special about it. And yes, it does have a shower as well as that soaker tub, but there's 2 windows in the corner, so you got a lot of light coming in. Wow, look at the detail on that interior of that shower. Pretty sweet. So guys, my number is 704-345-3400. By the way, no wire shelves there. You see that is wood shelving and kind of fancy toilets with the fancy flush feature right there. So in other words, there are a lot of elements of custom that have gone into this home. And laundry room with a sink already built in. You can, of course, put more cabinets there if you like. Love having a window in the laundry room so you can see, hey, did I get that stain out or not? You notice a lot of woods around there. There's an empty lot next to it now, and in the back, framed mirrors in the bathrooms, which is, I think, so much nicer than the big glass sheet of glass. Now, I noticed that there are no gutters. You know, my background is gutters. I used to have a leaf guard dealership, and so it had a leaf guard on my own home. And I noticed that there are no gutters because of all the trees. I see that extra door there to the right going into the house. Well, notice the double doors right there, which shows entry to some extra storage space. Then you've got the upstairs going up as well there. So this looks like that storage space off of the garage. I love that. But guys, you're going to definitely want to get gutters with gutter guards or even leaf guards. So you got a deck on the back. You've got room really to build something else off to the back of that. City sewer, city water, so you're not constrained by a septic. So it's city water, city sewer, and plenty of room to build something else off the back. Call me, guys, 704-345-3400. See you in the next video.